Okay, question 4 is another question regarding the summation. Given that Sn is equals to the sum of k over k plus 1 factorial, where k runs from 1 to n. We are asked to find 2019 factorial multiplied with 1 minus s 2018. Here we are going to apply the method of difference. If we want to get a method of difference, we need to write this expression as a difference of two expressions. So note that Sn can be written as the summation of k equals 1 to n. Write k as k plus 1 minus 1. And this means that this is 1 over k factorial minus 1 over k plus 1 factorial. So after we sub in k equals 1, k equals 2, until k equals to n, we will get 1 over 1 factorial minus 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 2 factorial minus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial minus 1 over 4 factorial, and so on and so forth, until the last term will be 1 over n factorial minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. And we can cancel the common term. Finally, we have 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. So Sn will be equal to 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. 2019 factorial times 1 minus s 2018. This is equal to 2019 factorial. 1 minus 1 minus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. This equals to 1 over 2019 factorial, where n in this case equals to 2018. So the answer is 1. Okay, so 1 is the answer for question number 4.